So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. In this video, I will share you latest important updates about Shiba Inu coin, its price prediction this year, mega burn, and its Binance exchange and Coinbase exchange listings here. That when we can see its listing on all tier one exchanges, and is this meme coin has potential to be the next $20 billion market cap? That will be right now 200x from its current market cap or not. So video is be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. So friends, first of all, Shiru is the sister meme coin of Shiba Inu, just like Koma Inu is the son of Shiba Inu. So Shiru is the sister's meme coin. So that's why this meme coin is very amazing, very unique, and have massive hype in crypto market. Already hit $1 billion market cap in its initial days, but right now its price is crushed here too much, and right now we are on its all-time low here. So this is best buying opportunity for us. Coin has currently 7 zeros in its price, 0.7 times 0 at $7. Last 30 days performance is very bad. You can see 75% crash in last 30 days, 16% crash in last 14 days, 13% dump in last 7 days. So this dump is good for us. You can see 87, okay, on $87 million market right now, $5.6 million trading volume is amazing because still there's no any tier 1 exchange listing for this coin. 1 trillion coin supply, all in circulation. This is amazing. Shiba Inu is a dog theme meme coin, but this is cat theme meme coin. But Sam on Ethereum chain, we are at 1% down this all-time high the 1 month ago, and its all-time low was just 11 hours ago. We are only 4% up this all-time low right now. So as I already told you, we are on its all-time low right now. So this can be the best buying opportunity for us, and this meme coin can skyrocket soon when crypto market will again recover, when BTC will again break $100,000. So definitely we can see a massive boom in short term in meme coins. But if you talk about long term, just like 8 to 10 months from now in this year, super cycle mega bull run, definitely we can see this meme coin to kill at least 3 zeros here. Coin has already killed 1 zero when MAC is all-time high, but right now as we are on its all-time low here, so Shiru coin has also potential to kill 3 zeros from its today's price here. These are the some central exchanges where this coin is listed: Albank, Gadget.io, MEXC, Arbit, Bitmart, XG.com, and Bilexi are some central exchanges where this meme coin is listed. There's lots of central exchange listing remaining for this meme coin. CoinX is still no list this coin, KuCoin, Bybit, Kraken, Binance. But friends, I think as this meme coin has massive hype in crypto market, and Shiba Inu's narrative is amazing that is related to this meme coin, so that's why maybe it's definitely possible that we can see Shiro coin listing in Binance and all other tier 1 central exchanges definitely within just few months. 18,400 holders for this meme coin, friends. 18,400 holders for this meme coin within just 1 month of its launching. So this is amazing. These are the top holders of this meme coin. You can see number one wallet has 15% of supply. Second wallet is burned wallet, is dead wallet. It means Shiru's 12.6% supply is already burned within a 1 month of its launching. Is 12.6 percent supply is burned. They're worth about $11 million here. So this is amazing. The supply is also burned here. These are some other Shiru's different wallets. Shiru Tertiary, Shiru exchange listing. Team has 9% of supply. And friends, you can see MEXC has 1.4% of supply. This central exchange Uniswap has also 0.2% of supply. So these are the top 50 wallets. They are holding this coin. So this is good. And because this meme coin is very new, going fast, is first bull run. So that's why I think Shiro Nico has potential to be the next $20 billion market cap. Because in previous bull run 2021, we saw Shiba Inu's all-time high market cap was around $45 billion. But in this bull run, as we expect that if Shiru can hit just half of the market cap of Shiba Inu's previous bull run, that will be around $20 billion. So that will be I think 200x, okay, 200x from its current market cap. If we buy Shiru Niku around $100 million market cap, then if you can hit $20 billion market cap, then that will be the 200x from its current market cap. I think that's possible that Shiru can hit $20 billion market cap in next maybe 8 to 10 months. What's your price prediction about this meme coin? You can must comment down below.